How to get a divorce in Florida. You may not need to hire a lawyer. What you can do is you can just go online to floridacourts.org and you can pull down the forms for free. It does cost in order to file, but other than that, you don't need to have a lawyer, except if you have issues like negotiating alimony, issues like child support, issues like time sharing with the children. You need a lawyer when you are negotiating these because you need to know what your rights are. The other thing is when you're discussing dividing up property that is in one person's name. If a house is in one person's name, if the pension plan or the 401k or IRA is in one person's name, that doesn't mean that person owns it. It is marital if it was accumulated during the marriage. You need to talk to a lawyer about how to divide it up. Lawyer's advice is very, very important when it comes to getting a divorce.